Hello students, in today's class I'll discuss about computer aided drug designing or computer assisted drug designing, which is also called as in silico drug designing. In computer aided drug designing, computational methods are used to find drug targets for a specific disease, which later can become as drug. So now about Cadd or computer assisted drug designing. But before going to Cadd, you should know what exactly is a drug. A drug is a key molecule or compound involved in a particular metabolic or signaling pathway that is specific to a particular disease condition or pathology. Actually, drug design is the approach of finding drug candidates based on their biological targets. For different biological targets, which may be a protein or a DNA, the drug molecule will be different. In computer assisted drug designing, which is a specialized discipline, mainly uses computational methods to stimulate drug receptor interaction. That is, they will see the binding of a drug to a particular receptor molecule, which may be a protein or a DNA or other molecules. In computer aided drug design methods, we heavily use bioinformatics tools or applications and different types of databases. Now the question is that why you need a computer to develop a drug or a medicine? It is actually all about time as well as money. In traditional system of drug designing, it takes around 15 years to bring a drug to the market, which costs around $800 million. If we use a computer, we can lower the same by 1.5 to 2 years of time and $1 million of rupees. If we see the present scenario of COVID-19 pandemic, where there is no medicine or vaccine, lots of medicine companies are working to develop a vaccine by using different computational methods to see the interaction between viral protein or a drug molecule or a peptide. Now this slide will tell you about various steps involved in computer aided drug designing, which can bring a new drug into the market. For this, we need to know about the disease first, and after that we have to know the cause of the disease, that is whether it's a virus or a bacteria or a pathogen which is causing the disease. Once we know this, we have to know the disease mechanism, which we can see in the genome of the pathogen. After we know the mechanism, we have to see which part of the genome is responsible for causing the disease. This particular step is also known as target identification, which later have to be validated through various computational methods. This particular process is called as target validation. Once the target validation is done, we have to go for mass screening of active compounds, which we can find in different chemical banks. These active compounds may be plant-derived active compounds, or they may be derived in, or they may be produced in laboratory. These active compounds are freely available in the data banks. We can extract them and we can use them in various ways. We will discuss about all those chemical banks in the next slide. This mass screening of active compounds is also known as partial screening, which is a very important step in computer-aided drug designing. In the next step, binding studies of active compounds are examined to see their effectiveness against the target molecule. It is done by using various computational methods, one of which is known as molecular docking. About molecular docking, we will discuss in next class. The next step, if they are having good molecular docking result, we have to go for preclinical studies of all those molecules, which is mainly done on animal to see the safety of the new treatment. Once the new preclinical trials are passed, in the next step, clinical trials are done on a large group of people to evaluate the effectiveness and safety of the medication. These clinical trials are mainly divided into 4 different phases. About all those phases we will discuss in next classes. If these molecules or drug candidates pass the clinical trials, we can send them for approval. For that we have to fill some application form, and if it is approved by the agencies, then only the drug can come to the market. This is the very brief idea about computer-aided drug designing. If you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you.